A judge gives one defendant a final warning. Then the next case takes a shocking turn. From missed probation meetings to disturbing new felony allegations, every decision in this courtroom could change someone's life forever. Stay until the end to see how the judge responds when second chances run out.
I don't think he's incarcerated, and he understood that. So he was definitely asking for a short reset.
It's going to be short because this is way too long.
Yes, sir.
This was filed. Okay, we're going on 5, 6, 7 months ago.
Yes, sir.
So the clock's ticking, and it's almost we're at the 2-month warning. But you get 2 weeks. That's all I'm going to
Yes,
give
sir.
to resolve this, or else will everybody be ready for a hearing?
Yes, sir. And I can be I can do something by then.
Okay, thank you.
But except 2 weeks.
It's Kindle. You're Kindle Andrews, right?
Yes, sir.
All right. Just
So
there's this motion to revoke probation. It's a 3rd-degree felony. You pleaded guilty back in March of 2024, and this and your attorney, I'm sure, is giving y'all 6 different violations here that are alleged. It only takes 1, but we're going to move forward on this in a couple of weeks here. But you are on deferred or unadjudicated probation for this 3rd-degree felony. If your probation is revoked, and these are serious allegations, if it's revoked, then you could be found guilty and then sentenced to no less than 2, no more than 10 years confinement in prison. And it's all my call. Do you understand?
yes, sir.
Well, you can put on my probation, and I take great pride in the 93% success rate we have on probation. I hate to see any failures, but it's going to happen, and I don't like it. But you're going to be paying the price. You have a responsibility, and you were given a second chance, and then we'll see whether how you hold up on this. But we've got a new case that's been indicted on indecency with a child, and this is injury to a child, right? Let me see. It says the way it's injury to a child or an elderly person. And yeah, this was a child younger than 15 by touching the child's anus. That's what you pleaded guilty to in this indictment. And then now you've got a new indictment. Intent to arouse or gratify the desire of any person engaged in sexual contact with a child younger than 17 years of age. Let's be ready. Let's get that done. I'm not going to delay.
Yes, sir. And
Dealing with a child victim here, the law says that becomes prioritized and it's hastened in its movement. So we're going to have a hearing on that motion as soon as we can get this done here in a couple of weeks. Be ready. Okay. Thank you.
I'm going to have it reassigned to me.
yes, that's
Yes. You got to say your claims here.
You still here? I'm giving a hard time. Alleged theft of canned insurance.
All right, I have 2 matters here involving Traylon Fontenot. That's you
yes, sir.
with Mr. Kindler, your attorney, and the state's attorney, and the probation officer is here. Now, just to make sure you understand, you are charged with 2. There are 2 motions to revoke unadjudicated probation pending. Each of these are theft cases that apparently you were placed on probation on the same date, August 5th of 2024. And there is a first amended motion that added to your allegations are failing to report, failing to provide verification of performing community service, failing to provide proof of employment, failing to provide verification of completing theft prevention, and failing to pay court assessed fees as directed. Those were first filed in an original motion. Thereafter, a new motion was filed to revoke your probation, alleging that you committed the offense of theft of property on or about April 14th, 2026 in Jefferson County, Texas, and failing to report to the probation office on or about November 24th and December 29th and January 23rd, November and December of 25, and then January 23rd of this year. Has she ever reported since November?
Our last report day was in October last year.
You're not reporting now.
Are you kidding?
I would have been out 1 month and I reported when I got out. I just got in jail.
Okay, you were in jail when we filed this, but you got to report, or else you're back in jail.
Yes, I reported since I got out. When I first got out, I reported.
Okay, all right. If you can't do anything else, you got to report,
Yes, sir.
or you're not being supervised. And this is all about supervision, and the probation office can't supervise you if you don't. We're not going to come to you. You got to. There's 5,000 probationers. We've got to have the probationers come to us. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
So don't foul up on that, or else you'd sit in jail until we got around to doing this.
Yes, sir.
Anyway, this theft of property thing is generally a criminal offense. Yeah, it just is a backbreaker when you're on probation, because that's, among other important things, that may be the most important. And I don't like what I'm reading here, failing to complete the theft prevention class. If you don't pass and complete that, you can't blame the probation office if you're committing theft subsequent to that.
Should be pretty short.
Yes, sir.
Anyway, what are we doing today?
Judge, the loss prevention officer that witnessed this, we think there's another one, but this one that we subpoenaed is serving in the military right now. So we've need a couple of weeks. We'll get the other witness up here.
Okay, 3 weeks. Okay,
Yes,
right.
Yes,
You got it. Okay.
You should get that boy. That's your closet.
So what is it, state jails?
What do you think? Should these defendants have been given another chance, or was the judge right to take a tougher approach? Share your opinion in the comments below. If you enjoy real courtroom moments and want to see more cases like this, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss our next upload.